Now I broke a few things here just to show you how badass these pliers are. Currently doing a demonstration. You'll see that demonstration from this stud right here. Now I broke this stud to show you these pliers. First off, we're gonna try the snap-ons. I'll take this nut off. One-handed. You see how it's starting to slip? You see how it's starting to slip? Like that. I'll even go two-handed for you. It's slipping. You see it's marring it up pretty good. Now I'm going to show you with these. One-handed. All right, so one-handed's a little hard. Oh. Boom. Look at that. That, my friends, is why these are superior. These will always be my favorite pliers in my toolbox. I highly recommend these.